airbags have saved over 1,500 lives and prevented thousands of serious injuries.
But how do these bags inflate at such terrific speed? The secret is to have a bomb in your car, more specifically, in your steering wheel. Airbags are essentially a combination of sensor, ignition system, explosive device, and nylon balloon. The bomb really is a bomb. The blast is achieved by a controlled ignition of high explosives which are packed in the form of pellets, and the force of the blast pushes air into the balloon at incredible speed.
When there is a sudden deceleration of the auto, a switch is thrown which triggers the start of a chemical reaction that produces a gas. The chemical reaction employed is the thermal decomposition of sodium azide, NaN3. Upon heating, sodium azide decomposes rapidly to form sodium metal and nitrogen gas. The reaction is exothermic and rapid once it has begun. In practice, an oxidant is added to react with the sodium to form sodium oxide. When the reaction is triggered by a sudden application of heat, the hot nitrogen gas formed by decomposition of the sodium azide expands into the airbag. Expansion occurs in only about 50 milliseconds. After the initial expansion, the hot nitrogen gas cools and the bag partially deflates, freeing the passenger.
So, where would you sit? It's time for some hardcore research. In slow motion, you can see the airbag cushioning the driver, but this can't prevent the bottom half of the steering wheel and the pedals causing bone-breaking injuries. For the chap in the front, this collision could have been fatal. The passenger in the back is catapulted forwards and cops a face full of knee. He would have suffered severe whiplash, but our experts concluded his injuries were much less severe than those suffered by the man in the front. In this test, despite there being no airbag, the back seat was safest.